Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohita S. Chandra, a microbiologist and an infection control officer by profession and your microbiology faculty. Now I remember distinctly well how exactly it felt to be in your shoes not too long ago. For one, a subject like microbiology in the undergraduate days does not get much importance, and as an undergrad, most of the time we hardly seem to know anything beyond gram positives. When it comes to areas like gram negatives and fungi, we are completely lost. And before we know it, a major part of our third professional MBBS goes in studying subjects like pharmacology and pathology, with poor microbiology not being considered important at all. Later, once we come to the PG entrance circuit, in all that scuffle, we somehow manage to pick up a few bits and pieces here and there. And by then, it's too late to go back and build up on our basics. But if you look at it from the clinician's perspective and the role in healthcare in general, today microbiology and infection control form the cornerstone of therapy for every single patient who comes into the hospital. Without knowing this subject well, it becomes hard for any clinician to manage and treat their patients efficiently. And like I said, infection control is now so important that, especially with the advent of something like COVID, it has changed the perspective of every person, not just a clinician, but even the common man. While being a microbiologist also helps me in controlling the results of a patient, and when I say controlling, I mean in deciding what drugs can be given, it is also gratifying to watch how we can change the course of a patient's stay in the hospital by knowing this subject right. When it comes to the entrance circuit again, infection control, antimicrobial resistance are all areas from where you can expect umpteen number of questions, and you need an expert in this field to help you and to guide you through this circuit, which is exactly why I'm here. I hope that in this journey, while I am able to associate with you as a faculty of Medico, I will be able to help you take small and simple steps at the same time to achieve huge gains, to understand and to deconstruct the subject called microbiology. So I hope to see you on the other side during the classroom sessions, in which we can associate much more and start to learn this subject slow and steady. But to be sure that once it's done, there's going to be no looking back, and microbiology is never going to be a subject which is in a cloud ever again.